to day 4 of Maker Fun Factory Vacation Bible School Craft Time. So today our Bible point is, God will always love you. Wow, God! That's right. So after I say, God will always love you, you say, wow, God. So let's try it one more time. God will always love you. Good job! Wow, God! So today, to remind us that God will always love us, we are going to be making a never-ending paper chain that starts with God's love. Because God's love never ends. His love goes on and on forever and ever. And so today we're going to be using fun rainbow colors to make this fun, never-ending paper chain. So watch along with me as I teach you how to make it. Alright, so we're ready to start our craft for day 4. So what we're going to be making today, like I just mentioned, is a never-ending paper chain to represent God's love. So what I'm going to start out with is I want lots of different colors of paper. So these are the colors I've chosen. I chose one for every color in the rainbow, almost every color in the rainbow. You've got your red, your orange, your yellow, your green, your blue, and your purple. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to cut these into strips. And I'm going to do about an inch wide by, I don't know, maybe 4 inches. I might cut it down the center this way and then cut it across this way a little bit. So I have a fancy cutting machine like this. Maybe your parents have one. If they do, maybe they can help you cut your strips, and if not, you can use scissors. The strips do not have to be perfectly straight. In addition to the piece of paper, all we need is the staple, and we'll need a little bit of glue a little later on. So watch when I cut these strips, and then we'll go forward with assembling our paper chain. As you can see, and so now we're going to start assembling. And if you guys remember, maybe you watched our More Vacation Bible School crafts, and we made a paper chain snake in that one to remind us not to be afraid. We're going to do the same thing. So you're just going to make kind of a loop, and this time we're going to be using a stapler because it's a little bit easier. And you just place it over where they connect, and now you have a loop. And you can just do one staple if you want to do 2, and one on either side, whatever works. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through alternating colors. So next I'm going to take orange, and I'm going to go, and then yellow, and go from there. So watch as I put together this paper chain. But guess what? We're not done yet. Because today we're learning that God will always love you. Yeah, that's right. After I say that, you say, wow, God. Good memory. So the last thing we need to do, because we're talking about God's love, is we need to have a heart at the very top of our paper chain. So I'm going to quickly draw out a heart. And I'm going to cut that out, and we're going to add it to the top of our paper chain. Alright, so now I've cut out my heart, and one of the very first chains I put on was red. And so what I want to do is I want to take my glue stick, and I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on the middle of the back of my heart, and I am going to stick it onto my paper chain. Because what this helps us remember is we have a heart at the top, and God will always love you. Look how long this chain is. It does end, because we can't use all the paper in the world to make the longest paper chain. But it helps us remember that God's love never ends. Even though our paper chain ends, God's love will never end. And God will always love you. That's right. Wow, God. Because He's always going to love us. So I want to see your never-ending paper chains. So if you want to share those, get your mom and dad to help you. Use Facebook, use Instagram. We're going to use the hashtag MPAFunVBS since we are in Maker Fun Factory. So go ahead, use that hashtag, share your creations with us so we can see them. And don't forget that God will always love you. Have a great day!